Hello friends, I am Sopun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw Happy Holi's drawing. So this drawing specially for children. Here we will draw a little girl. She is playing Holi. Okay, so see here we will draw the girl step by step. Step 1, just we will draw a circle. Then step 2, we will draw a very small U shape. Then we will draw her body. It look like a inverted cup. Okay. Then step 4, just we will draw 4 lines for her legs. Okay. So in this way, just we will complete her full drawing. Okay, this drawing is a very easy drawing. Just you have to follow the steps. Okay. Now see, we will draw her hands. Her hands, it will be not step 5, 6, it will be 5. After that, we will complete her face. Okay, just step 6, then just we will complete her hands. Okay, see the hands. In this way, we have to complete her hands. Step 7. After that, just we have to complete her face, her hair properly. Okay, see, I think if you try, you can draw this one very easily. Is it? Yes, you can. After that, we can arrange a composition. This one. Okay. Now friends, see, at first we have to complete the composition properly. After that, we can use black color sketch pen. Just we have to complete the outline with black color sketch pen. Okay friends, see the outline properly. At first, you have to draw very lightly and clearly. Okay, then you can use sketch pen. Now friends, see, almost our drawing is completed. See, here we have to draw holy materials like syringe, water pot, colors. Also we have to write Happy Holi. So friends, see, almost our drawing is completed. Now we can start color. Friends, see, for her skin color, here we can use orange color. Then we have to merge the color with peach color. Okay, in this way we will complete her skin. Just see the process where I'm using light and dark. friends, see, almost our painting also completed. And I told so many times that if you need any help, you can contact with us. Okay. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share your friends, your relatives. Okay friends, bye and wish you a very happy Holi in advance.